Move that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion.
Hey, Lazy Girl Proof fam, I am back today with another wig review. This one is for Outre Chandice, and I have her in the color 1B DRFF Cotton Candy Pink. So the one that's on the stock card. I like pink, so I figured that would be the best one. I don't know what this thing is doing, man. I don't know. Let's get her out of the package and see what she looks like. Okay. Here is the card. They're definitely pretty. Just see, how much of the pink actually shows when it's on and how much does not. Here she is. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and elastic adjusters, of course. So let me put her on my head. Oh, we stuck. I put her on my head and then see if I'm going to cut the lace off or not. There's already been some reviews on this unit, so there's already people that have shown it like slayed and stuff, so I don't think I'm going to feel the need to also do that. Could be wrong. If I really like her, then I will. Oh no. I forgot to put my microphone on. I recorded the whole beginning without it, so we'll see how it sounds. It picked up, I did that the other day, and it actually picked it up from pretty far away. I was like, whoa. Okay, she 1000% is amazing. So I will be keeping her. Okay. So I am going to cut the lace off. And I say she's amazing because the quality is amazing for this. How do I say this? I expect good quality with Bobbi Boss. With Outre, I feel like it's like hit or miss, especially with the colors. The special color ones. Sometimes they're just ugh. So I think I will cut the lace off for you guys. She's super cute. I like that it's like underneath there a lot, and that I think my favorite part is that it actually does show in the front. So I like it. Let me go cut this lace off and we'll go from there. She's shedding. We'll see if she keeps shedding. It's like 5, 6 hairs. I'll be right back. Okay, lace is off. She's gorgeous, you guys. I didn't know if I was going to like her, to be totally honest. Like I said, Outre and me have like this love-hate relationship, especially with special colors. Um, and it's different. They have different, like, just like all of them, when they have the different lines within their brand, the qualities are different and things like that. So, I just wasn't expecting a lot. But I like it. With these bone straight units, I don't expect to or think I'm going to put them up, so I don't expect like amazing hairlines. And this one is pretty thick. It's not the worst though. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's not the best. The parting space is also not great. It could use some plucking. Is it the worst? No. But let's put some powder in the part. I did leave the baby hairs on. They're not like there wasn't very many of them, so I don't know that I would even say they're baby hairs. Let me look at what it says. Oh, what? It says how long it is, you guys. What? What? Okay, so 26 inches. I don't have to measure it myself. And it actually says heat resistant fiber, high tech, safe up to 400. So it actually says the actual number. Now it says natural baby hairs. Unless I like cut them off, they weren't. There's some. I don't. I try to leave them on because it's easier if I can just brush them in. It looks better. Um, HD transparent lace. Woo, it's jumping out. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, salon inspired colors. I mean, I might get some of the other colors. Probably not, but maybe if when they like go on sale. Just because I'm trying to spend less because I have to, buy stuff from my store. So this is her. Let me put some powder in the pot. Powder in the pot. Powder, powder, powder chowder. If you guys are feeling weird, just know that it is, or having like rough times, just know it is Mercury retrograde, and some of you may not believe in it, but let me tell you, it's lit. And what Mercury retrograde usually brings is technology problems and communication problems the most. And we did just have a full moon yesterday. I don't know what day it will be by the time I post this. It was Friday. Full moon in Scorpio. So I am a Scorpio, if you didn't know. Scorpio energy is very intense. Some people hate us. I think we're awesome because basically we're just super real people. We have lots of empathy. There's just a lot of good things about us, but we are intense AF. So that does not make for an easy full moon day. And then usually you'll feel the full moon stuff a couple days before and a couple days after. So you add that Mercury retrograde on top of that. It's fun times all the way around. It's the end of the day of recording and my eyes are getting dry. There's like this one thing that looks like I have a wig cap on and I don't. This one section. If you have time and energy, I would recommend plucking this, but that does look a lot better. However, it's, always better to pluck it than to put powder in it because powder can wear off and whatnot. So it has a couple hairs that are very unruly, so I may pluck that later. I did not test the big head friendliness. Outres are usually big head, big head friendly. Outres I've found are usually, I'll say usually because sometimes they're not, but they are usually big head friendly. So as with any bone straight one, you're going to want to bring a brush with you, not because she's tangly, because she's not. Just because bone straight stuff starts to get a little, like, not unruly, but looks messy, If you have a small to average head, you're going to want to put a wig grip cap or, at the very least, secure these combs, just because it is a little loose. For the big head people, it's good that it's got some room for you, man. I do like them a little bigger, honestly, even though I have a small to average head, just because it's like, I don't want it squeezing my head. So, let's get a 360 and then do final thoughts.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I'm
so that was the 360. Um, so here's final thoughts. I don't think I said everything yet. So it is a tiny bit tangly, but I expect that from Bone Straight when you start moving around and stuff. Um, so it's big head friendly. It's heat safe up to 400. It is silky. It's silky. You can see the texture, but it's silky. Um, so the hairline is pretty thick. The parting space, once you put powder in it, it helps. It's still pretty thick. Um, she is, how much did I pay? $37.88. I would say she's worth it because she looks like healthy hair that was bleached and then colored pink. So there's that. I will definitely be wearing her. I would like it if it was more than just a little strip, but I also at the same time like that it's just a little strip. So sorry, you can see my hair poking out now. If I had my hair straight, I could just blend it in there. She's 26 inches long. The shedding is actually pretty minimal. I think there's been a total of like 6 hairs altogether. Baby hairs, it says it had baby hairs, but even before I cut it, it was like, there's sparse, there's a few. There was some like right here, just a little bit, and that was it. So there's not like a crazy amount of baby hairs. Oh yeah, I forgot about the density. So the density, it is on the lighter side, but it's not the like too light side. She's kind of like just the perfect density. In the 360, I looked back. You know, you can't see the wig cap underneath. Nothing's showing. The tracks aren't showing. So there's that. I think she's just perfect. Like she looks like I have healthy hair, and I went to the salon and got it colored. Um, what else? Does it need product? No. Literally. It looks a little shiny right now because I have these lights on because it's like stupid cloudy outside. But it's not like shiny, shiny. It's just healthy hair shiny look. So there's that. It doesn't need any sort of anything. So this is a throw on and go, cut the lace, throw on and go. You can put powder in the part to, you know, make it look more realistic. And this parting space goes back pretty daggone far, so that's good. That is great. Bring your brush with you because it's a bone straight unit. So, and it does have layers I didn't mention, which is nice. So it's like, again, you went and got your hair done at the salon. So I'm digging it. It's definitely worth the money. I would recommend it, and it probably looks amazing in all the different colors. I chose the pink, this cotton candy, because I like a contrast. So like the red would probably be gorgeous. The purple, I saw a video on it and I'm like, it's not that much of a contrast to where I really want to go out and get it. But I'm sure, you know, they all look gorgeous like this. So I'll probably pick up a couple more colors if they ever go on sale and don't just sell out first. So there's that. So let me know what you guys think. As always, thanks for hanging out and spending time with me, and I will see you again soon. I'm about to go record some more. Bye, guys.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I